Say goodbye to elbow pain. Effective workouts to strengthen and heal. Are you tired of being sidelined by elbow pain during workouts? Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or an athlete, dealing with discomfort in your elbows can be frustrating and limiting. But fear not, because there are targeted exercises you can incorporate into your routine to alleviate pain and prevent it from coming back. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of workouts designed to strengthen and heal your elbows, so you can get back to your active lifestyle with confidence. Before diving into the workouts, let's briefly touch on why you might be experiencing elbow pain. Common causes include overuse injuries like tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, and golfer's elbow, medial epicondylitis, as well as muscle imbalances and poor technique during exercises. It's essential to address the root cause of your pain to effectively treat and prevent it. Effective workouts to fix elbow pain. 1. Wrist flexor and extensor stretch. Start by extending your arm in front of you, palm facing down. Gently use your opposite hand to pull your fingers towards you until you feel a stretch in your forearm. Flexor stretch. Repeat the same motion with your palm facing up to stretch the extensor muscles. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times on each arm. 2. TheraBand flex bar exercises. Hold the TheraBand flex bar with your injured hand, palm facing up, and your unaffected hand gripping the other end. Perform the Tyler twist exercise by twisting the flex bar away from your body and then slowly returning to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 15 repetitions, gradually increasing resistance as your strength improves. 3. Eccentric wrist curls. Sit on a bench with your forearm resting on your thigh and holding a light dumbbell with your palm facing down. Use your unaffected hand to help curl the weight up towards your body, then slowly lower it back down with your injured arm. Focus on controlling the descent, eccentric phase, to strengthen the wrist extensors. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each arm. 4. Tricep and bicep strengthening. Incorporate exercises like tricep dips, bicep curls, and tricep extensions into your routine to strengthen the muscles surrounding the elbow joint. Start with bodyweight exercises and gradually add resistance as you progress. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. 5. Forearm pronation and supination. Hold a light dumbbell with your elbow bent at a 90-degree angle, palm facing up. Rotate your forearm outward, supination, as far as you can, then inward pronation, towards the floor. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each arm to improve forearm strength and mobility. Incorporate these targeted workouts into your routine to alleviate elbow pain and prevent it from returning. Remember to start with light resistance and gradually increase as your strength improves. It's also crucial to maintain proper form and listen to your body. If an exercise causes pain, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. With dedication and consistency, you can strengthen and heal your elbows, allowing you to pursue your fitness goals without limitations.